In this video, we will show how to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, TPM, RAM, and CPU check. Let's get started. Step 1. Get a bootable USB. The first step is to create a bootable USB to install Windows 11. You can download Windows 11 ISO files from Microsoft's official website or any other trusted source. Step 2. Create bootable USB. After downloading the ISO file, you need to create a bootable USB using software like Rufus or any other utility. Step 3. Change BIOS settings. Once the bootable USB is ready, restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings by pressing F2 or Del key during the boot process. Step 4. Disable Secure Boot and TPM. In the BIOS settings, disable Secure Boot and TPM to bypass the TPM and Secure Boot check in Windows 11. Step 5. Install Windows 11. Save the changes and restart your computer. Boot the computer from the bootable USB and follow the usual Windows installation process like selecting language, partition, and user account details. Step 6. Skip Microsoft account. During the installation process, skip creating or signing into Microsoft account option for a local or offline account instead. Step 7. Complete installation. After the installation, Windows 11 will be ready to use without needing a Microsoft account, TPM, and RAM and CPU check. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, TPM, RAM, and CPU check. Thanks for watching.